2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, bed liner, compass, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, CD player, remote keyless entry, sport package, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.